Hello everybody, welcome to today's training. In today's training, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find products that are selling so that you don't have to waste money testing without spending money on softwares. So there's many softwares out there that you can use, and these softwares are paid. Some of them have free trials, right? There's softwares such as alishark.com, right? And these are free trials, but it lets you find winning products. This is a good tool to use because it allows you to see, as you can see here, how many products have been sold. There's other products that have free trials as well, ecomhunt.com, right? But if you guys are on a budget and you guys don't want to spend money analyzing, products that are selling, then you don't need to. Then today I have a gift for you guys, a very special treat. I'm going to show you guys two tools that you can use right away, and they're free. One of them has a free trial, but it's very recommended. But again, I'm going to be showing you one other tool that's free, and it allows you to see how many products are being sold with that product. And the reason for this is because, guys, success leaves clues, okay? If you guys want to become successful at anything, then let's just say that you guys want to be the best engineer, right? If you guys want to be the best engineer, you are not going to study from somebody who is homeless on how to be an engineer. It just doesn't make sense. You're going to study from the most prestigious engineer, right? Success leaves clues, okay? There's one thing that I credit all my success to, and it's the fact that I follow successful people, successful advice, and I implement it, and it works with me, okay? So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to implement that into your product research. So the best way to sell and make money online is to sell a product that has already track record, it has a history. I made a post of showing you guys that saturated products are good, and the reason why they're good is because if somebody bought the product, that means other people will buy it as well. Your job is just to create a fresh marketing angle, right? Look at this product right here. There is so many of these products, this laser hair removal, and yet all of them that sell it are successful. The key is just to lay out the website in a way that's compelling, right? And that's all the key, right? Just to sell what's already working. So I'm going to show you guys the tools that you can use to find these products and how to analyze the data so that you guys can make an educated decision on whether or not it's worth it. Because the last thing you want to do is you want to sell products, you want to test, and then you don't know if they're going to be selling or not. So these tools are going to be very helpful for your business. And again, like I said, the best way to succeed is to follow a proven plan. So one of the things that my students have is that they have that ability. They know that they need a mentor, and they know that they need a guide. So this is why they're my students, and this is why I teach them everything, and they replicate these results. So now I'm going to show you guys exactly a tool that you guys can use so that you guys can find successful products that are selling, and even they're going to show you, it can show you the websites and all of that so that you guys can go and replicate it, okay? So the first tool that I want to show you guys is a tool called PexGo. Okay, so PexGo is this. It's a tool that allows you to analyze products. So when you go to, it could be aliexpress.com. This is where we get our products. Let's just say that we go and we're going to sell these shoes. What happens is PexGo is this tool. It activates. It's a Chrome extension. And let me move this around. You can find it here. Okay, it's like this. PexGo, PEXGLE. You go to Google Chrome, you go to the Google Chrome store and you hit it, you type PexGo, and then you just install it. All right, so since I have it installed, this is how it works. You click on a product, right? It could be any product. Okay, this is a baby shoes products, and you guys need to understand that there are certain niches in this industry that are proven to sell and that sell more. And the reason why, you need to understand why people buy. They buy things based on emotion. So this product has a lot, these products, baby products, feminine products, health products, all these products that, that add confidence, or, this is an emotion, confidence, right? So babies have a lot of emotions associated with them because parents love their babies. So let's just say we clicked on this, right? It opens to this, and then PexGo analyze, right? Now you can see the sales volumes, right? this has starting at the beginning of the month 0, and then the next day it has 246. So for a product to be successful, you want it to have at least a volume of 20 sales. This has 246. April 3rd, 358, right? And then you see 268, 201, 191, 218. So somebody is selling this product, and good for them because it's making a lot of sales. So you guys need to start learning marketing. I always say it's the marketing that sells. You guys can put this in the store. It costs $1, $3. You guys can say get, 3 pairs for $20. You keep the profit, right? It's just the way that you market it, right? You want to do the math for yourself, whether it'll be worth it or not. You could even sell one of them for $7. You know what I mean? Just work the math for yourself so it makes sense. But this is how you become very profitable, right? And as you can see, in just one day, 246 were sold. Okay, so that's great. And the reason why is because just imagine 246. If you sold just 246, and let's just say that you were selling each at not at $8 because it's the coronavirus sale. You guys can market it, right? You guys would have made $2,000 in one day, 1,968. Okay, so this goes to show you could be very profitable if you just take your time and you know what you're doing. All right, so now I showed you guys this, right? Let's see another product, right? So let's just go to jewelry. Right? I don't like selling jewelry, but let's just say that you're selling jewelry, during this time because people can't buy it, right? So you click on, let's say even this baby harness. Now we're not gonna use this, right? What is this? Hair extensions. Now let's just pick something random. So this face mask, okay? Boom, click on the face mask, and it should fire. And look, you can see that, you want to see where things are like trending up. So it sold 0, and then it sold 1,000 in one day, guys, because people are drop shipping these, okay? So look, it's 494, 792, 816. And like I told you, you guys want to make sure that there are 20 at least being sold. If 20 are being sold, then that is good. So there you guys go. This is another, let's just do it one more. Product. Let's do, people are not really riding bikes. So let's just go back. And let's see women's fashions. Now, people are not really with fashion these days. So toys, because a lot of kids are staying home. So let's look at some toys, right? So toys and dolls, right? So these plush dolls, like I said, guys, it can be absolutely anything. So yeah, let's just put toy helicopter. Okay, that's what I saw. So let's click toy helicopter. Look, this costs 98 cents, guys. You can sell this for $14. You market it and it'll be good, so let's just click on it. All right, this thing should fire, and it tells you this sold 42023. So it's not really selling. So this is a product you don't want to sell. So this is the perfect example. This tool, guys, it's free, and it allows you to see all the products. This is one of my secret weapons because it allows you to save time, and more importantly, it allows you to save money. Now there is another tool, and this one comes with a 7-day free trial, and this is good because it allows you to see how much money a store is actually making. All right, so it's called Sale Source. Okay, Sale Source. This is the tool, right? I picked, and then the good thing about it is that, look, Pexgo still activates on this store. This is a store that you may have seen the video I uploaded previously. This product is selling a lot, okay? I'm not going to tell you who is selling this, but it's selling a lot. And if you see it, look at the traffic, right? It tells you United States, Canada, India, like this is where the people are coming from, right? And this is very good because it allows you to see that there is sales being made, right? And then what happens with you have sales source activated. If you have sales source activated, it should pop up like this. And what you want to do is you want to analyze the store. So if let's say you're thinking about selling this product, what does it say? It tells you the domain was created a year ago, and look at the sales estimate, guys, $900 to $1 million per month. This is selling $1 million per month. All right. It even tells you the theme, it shows you the Facebook ads, and it shows you everything. Okay. So let's look at another product. Let's look at baby products. And then this is how you find out your niche. And then you click Shopify, right? Theme forest, baby themes. So again, like any website, you click on it, right? Sales source should activate if it is a Shopify store. So let's click on the product, right? Sales source doesn't activate, PexGo doesn't activate because it is not a Shopify store. It's not a dropshipping store. So you want to get out of that, right? So let's look, baby products. You can just put toys, Shopify, right? Okay, so let's look at this one. All right, this is just a Shopify theme place. It doesn't come up. So let's put makeup Shopify, right? You want to use keywords. Okay, so the products come up here. So Skin Jib, boom, it's a Shopify store. All right, Skin Gym Jade, and then again, look, this store is live, okay? Because this store, if I'm able to see the store, this means that the store is actually live. So what you want to do is you want to analyze the store. Let's see how much money this store is making, and this is how you guys get ideas whether a product is good or not, right? This product could do a lot of things better. It could put a compared price. It could say that the original price cost $70, selling it for $32, but they're not taking advantage of that, right? So let's look at how much money this store is making. Look, guys, this store was created 2 years ago, and it's making on average $179,000 per month. And look at the theme, the debut theme, the theme I tell you guys to use. All right, so there you guys have it. There is no excuse for you guys to not make any sales, okay? Like I said, you guys have now the tools, you have the resources. PexGo is completely free, and it allows you to see what products are selling, right? So again, one more time, click on this product, PexGo activates, and if it's not, you click on it, it's selling one. So this is a product you don't want to sell. It's only selling one per day. This is the best way for you guys to do it, and this is how you're able to actually test products or see the data on the products without spending any money on ads. All right, so if you guys enjoyed this video, like this video, let me know what you guys thought. If you guys want more of these tutorials, let me know in the comments down below as well. And if you guys haven't yet already subscribed to the YouTube channel, this is the link where you guys can subscribe. I will put it in the description. Until next time, guys, we'll stay in touch. And remember, you're only one product away from changing your life. It could be a product like this and $179,000 per month. You tell me whether that's good enough for you. All right, so until next time, guys, we'll be in touch. Stay safe, and we'll talk soon.